Creating professional AI video ads for a small business on a tiny budget is way easier than you think. The difference isn't budget, it's structure. Big creators follow the same simple steps every time, and you can plug your business into that. Mila walks you through that structure step by step, so you can turn one product photo into UGC ads, product demos, and launch videos.
That was weird, but amazing.
Hi guys, I'm Mila. Today, I want to introduce you to Polo AI Marketing Studio. It's a fantastic solution. This tool helps SMBs create professional product and promotional videos quickly, easily, and without any hassle. So, this is the main dashboard for Polo AI. I'm sure a lot of you already know your way around this. You've got everything you need right here. All the features, tools, and effects are at your fingertips, and it's honestly super easy to dive in and start creating. Right, moving on to the Marketing Studio, you can get to the screen easily through either of these two options. Upon entering the Marketing Studio, you will find 5 dedicated features at the top for specialized ad creation. Below that, you have access to a vast collection of templates designed for quick deployment, which is a fantastic resource. Let's start by testing these templates. People often overlook them, assuming they won't deliver, but I've tested them out myself, and the results are honestly impressive. The quality speaks for itself. The best part is how incredibly simple the process is. You just need a product photo, or maybe a model, and you can create a high-quality professional ad in no time. Simply click on Try Now to access them. You'll notice that the scripts and configuration are already prepared. You just need to upload your target image to begin the process. The pro tip here is to make sure your source photo is as similar as possible to the example. Think about the model, the style, and the overall look. Getting that alignment right is key to getting the best output. I picked this template and used a photo that closely matches the style and composition of the reference. Because the match is so precise, the result is fantastic. I followed the same process here, checked the platform's reference first, found a matching photo, and look at the result. It's spot on. I'll show you my mistakes to prove why precision with AI is vital. Watch our videos until the end so you won't miss these tips. I messed up this jewelry ad. I didn't realize the model I picked was already wearing her own jewelry, so the final video ended up looking like a weird mix and match. It's a good lesson. Always double-check those little details before you hit generate, because the AI is only as good as the input you give it. Now let's jump into the features. Their names make it pretty clear what they do, so let's put 2 of them to the test and see what kind of results we get. Moving on to photo to video ads. You start by uploading your product image with the option to include up to 9 reference photos. Once uploaded, input your creative concept, and the tool will generate a script for you. Ensure you also select your desired video aspect ratio. At this stage, the agent steps in to guide you through the rest of the process. It will begin by requesting confirmation of your product specifications. Please verify these details thoroughly for accuracy. Next, the system will offer several ad references. Select the one that aligns with your preferred aesthetic. Please note that this selection is for style guidance, as the objective is to leverage the reference for creative direction rather than creating a direct duplicate of the visuals. Additionally, you have the flexibility to upload your own specific ad reference directly if you have a particular style or format you'd like to emulate. Or you can simply browse the library and pick the ad style that fits your vision best. The library offers an extensive collection of templates, complemented by a robust set of filters. These options allow you to refine your search criteria efficiently, ensuring you find the ideal ad style without any hassle. Following this, the agent will generate a general script outline and present a few questions for your input. Once you've responded, it will create a storyboard for your review. You have the flexibility to request revisions for any section you'd like to adjust. Upon your final approval, the system will proceed to generate your video.
Ever wonder what pure speed feels like on the pitch? Lightweight, precise, and built for those explosive moments. Engineered for maximum grip, for the moments that define the game.
Moving on to script-to-video ads. This feature is quite intuitive. You provide your custom script, and the system initiates the production process. You are then directed to the agent interface to complete the remaining steps. Once your script is ready, the system generates a storyboard for your review. Upon your approval, the final video production commences. You retain the flexibility to request revisions throughout each phase of the process to ensure the outcome meets your requirements. A significant advantage of this feature is the ability to extend your video, allowing for the production of longer-form content. I tested this by inputting prompts for subsequent scenes, specifying that they must maintain continuity with the previous footage. The platform handled the transition remarkably well, resulting in a cohesive sequence.
That was weird, but amazing.
Aqualux, ocean-sourced healing for your skin. Luxury in every drop. A ritual that transforms. Indulgence in its purest form.
Our video is over, but I have some great news for you. Grab a 20% discount on credits for a limited time. Use my link below to get started and boost your ads today. Thanks for joining me. I love you all. See you next time. Goodbye.